Welcome to our ultimate vacuum robot test. Are you in the market for the best vacuum robot with a docking station that automatically cleans your robot? Look no further. We have tested and compared the latest models on the market to determine which vacuum robot performs the best. In this video, we will showcase the technical specs of the vacuum robots we tested, put their cleaning performance to the test in a practical setting, compare navigation and control, and test battery life. By the end of the video, we will give you our recommendations for the best vacuum robot with a docking station. But wait, there's more. We not only compared cleaning performance, navigation, and ease of use, but also discovered some surprising features that will impress you. We will also give you tips and tricks on how to properly maintain and care for your vacuum robot to ensure its performance lasts for years to come. Watch the whole video. So, sit back and prepare to learn everything about the latest and greatest vacuum robots with docking stations. Be sure to watch the whole video for the best experience and to know which vacuum robot is the best fit for you by the end. We are excited to help improve your cleaning experience. In the video description below the video, we have linked all of the vacuum robots we tested so you can learn more about the products and even purchase them on Amazon. We recommend using these links to learn more about the features and technical specs of the vacuum robots and to ensure you are selecting the best product for you. We also link to the current deals and prices so you can get the best deal. The 360 Spotless S8 Plus vacuum robot with a 4-liter large suction station is a powerful and versatile vacuum robot that is perfect for cleaning your home. With a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it is one of the most popular models on the market. The price for this model is $479.99. One of the most important features of the 360 Spotless S8 Plus is the 70 days of hands-free cleaning with a 4-liter dust container. With a large interchangeable 4-liter dust bag, you can have hands-free cleaning for 70 days and only need to remove dirt 5 times a year. This saves you a lot of time with daily emptying of the dust container. Another great feature is the 2-in-1 suction and wiping function. The S8 Plus suction and wiping robot can effectively clean dry and wet dirt, leaving your entire floor shining after cleaning. The 3-stage 300 ml electric water tank can hold up to about 180 m2 of cleaning area. The water flow can be set to 3 levels, allowing you to adjust it according to the type of floor to avoid damage. The S8 Plus is also equipped with 27 opa strong suction power. The suction power is adjustable. When the robot encounters a carpet, it increases the suction power. This allows it to easily suck up dirt, pet hair, and even invisible dust hidden deep in carpets. Ideal for families with babies or pets. Follow the product link in the video description if you're interested in this model. The HONITURE vacuum robot is a powerful and versatile vacuum robot that is perfect for cleaning your home. With a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it is one of the most popular models on the market. The price for this model is approximately $439. One of the most important features of the HONITURE EQ6 Pro is the improved automatic cleaning station. The vacuum robot is equipped with a 3.5-liter collection container that automatically empties in 20 seconds, stores dust and dirt for up to 60 days, and only needs to be cleaned 6 times a year. This is perfect for families with pets and children. The vacuum robot also has an automatic cleaning base with an LED display that informs you about the status of vacuuming and charging. Another great feature is the latest LDS laser navigation with 26 sensors. Equipped with the latest technology LDS LiDAR navigation for obstacle detection. The HONITURE EQ6 Pro vacuum robot can collect data in real time. Effective and detailed home map drawing and thorough cleaning is possible. With the help of smart maps, the robot avoids obstacles, recognizes dangers, and efficiently plans the cleaning process. The Larsar vacuum cleaner with a mopping function is a versatile and powerful cleaning robot that combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in one device. With a suction power of 3500 Pa and a 3.5 liters automatic dirt container, it offers high cleaning efficiency and a long cleaning duration of up to 45 days. The special HEPA filter and sealed dust bag ensure that dust and pet hair are kept far away from you and your family. Another highlight of the Larsar vacuum cleaner is its advanced navigation and sensor technology. With a LiDAR navigation device and 23 sensors, it is able to accurately scan and map your home to clean every corner and row of your house. This technology also enables the robot to avoid obstacles and safely return to the charging station when power is low or cleaning is complete. The Lairsar vacuum cleaner is also equipped with voice and app control, allowing you to easily control the cleaning process through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or use the intelligent app to monitor the cleaning status, battery, and accessories in real time. You can also customize the cleaning modes, mopping levels, and cleaning schedule and easily locate the robot. Overall, the Lairsar vacuum cleaner with a mopping function is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. With a suction power of 3500 PA, a combination of sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping functions, and advanced navigation and sensor technology, it provides thorough and efficient cleaning for your home. The Ecovacs D-Bot N8 Plus vacuum robot is an advanced cleaning device that is equipped with a variety of features to make your life easier. With over 23 years of experience in researching robots and a 2-year warranty, you can be sure that you are purchasing a high-quality machine. One of the most impressive features of the D-Bot N8 Plus is its 2.5-liter dustbin, which is capable of holding dust and hair for up to 4 weeks. This reduces the need to clean the dustbin frequently, giving you more time to enjoy your weekends. The D-Bot N8 Plus also has true mapping technology, which allows it to map your home 4 times faster than with standard laser mapping. With the detailed interactive map that is created, you can achieve new levels of cleaning efficiency and customization with the Ecovacs Home app. Another useful feature of the D-Bot N8 Plus is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. With an innovative electronic water pump and water tank, the robot vacuum cleaner can leave your floors spotless. There are also 4 levels of water flow settings that are suitable for different floor types and needs. The D-Bot N8 Plus also has a Max Plus mode that increases the suction power to 2300 PA, which is an increase of 53% compared to the standard mode. This allows the robot to achieve deeper cleaning results, especially on carpeted floors. Overall, the Ecovacs N8 Plus vacuum robot is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient and convenient cleaning solution. With its advanced features and the ability to map multiple floors, it is perfect for families with pets and large apartments. Overall, the ECOVACSD EBOT N8 Plus vacuum robot is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient and convenient cleaning solution. With its advanced features and the ability to map multiple floors, it is perfect for families with pets and large apartments. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a highly advanced vacuum robot that will make your life easier. With a powerful suction power of 33W and a 0.4 liters dust container, it's perfect for households with pets or a lot of carpets. One of the best things about the i7 Plus is its ability to map your home and allow you to create cleaning zones. This way, the Roomba can differentiate between the kitchen and the couch and focus on the areas that are most frequently visited. Another great feature of the i7 Plus is its compatibility with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. With a simple command, you can make the Roomba remove dirt and debris under the kitchen table without having to get up. The cleaning performance of the i7 Plus is impressive. With its 3-stage cleaning system and unique dual rubber brushes, it's able to remove stubborn dirt and debris. Thanks to the Dirt Detect technology, the Roomba also recognizes heavily soiled areas and cleans them thoroughly. Another great feature of the i7 Plus is the Clean Base automatic docking station, which allows the Roomba to empty itself for up to 60 days. This saves you time and effort and ensures that the Roomba is always ready to clean your floor. Overall, the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus offers impressive performance and many useful features that will make your life easier. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars and a price of €699, it's a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, it can be said that vacuum robots with a docking station are a revolutionary invention in the world of home cleaning. They not only offer high cleaning performance but also convenient and automatic disposal of dirt. With the ability to customize the cleaning zone and schedule, the vacuum robot can make your life easier and free you from tedious cleaning tasks. I recommend anyone looking for an efficient and convenient cleaning solution to choose a vacuum robot with a docking station. So, if you're ready to simplify your life and free yourself from the burden of daily cleaning, then you should get yourself a vacuum robot with a docking station now. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about innovative cleaning technologies.